Engage Live sikhona la endaweni yesigameko nje okujwayelekile ePCM isonto ebisikulu namhlanje siphethe abazalwane bala bazosisho amagama ngobani but umbuzo enginabo for bona ukuthi how was the service today. I know ukuthi ama-service bahlale banawo njalo every Sunday but today it has been a very different service, so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kubo beyinjani uzosisho uma azisho ukuthi banikama asho ukuthi hayi service today namhlanje yini beyilit or ish yabo njengalezo ungaqala nje.
Okay, ulindiwe wakaMasombuka. Engizokusho nje ukuthi service was I know ekade ngiswele namagama okuyichaza indlela ebeyingayo, but it was powerful, like very powerful ngenye indlela ecakile. Futhi sifunda okuningi nje namhlanje singabazalwane, kuningi sikudobhile. Sibonge kakhulu.
Bakhulume local church ngomsababa. Ngizwile khulume local church. What is your take about local church? Ngokwakho ukunderstand ngakho yini local church?
I-local church yilibandla. Ngasho nje ukuthi yithi nje njengoba sinjeni.
Yini ni local church?
Yebo.
Yabona ke siyayithanda ke sabona efundisayo ukuthi this one the local church is this one. Yiyo le abakuyo namhlanje. It's beautiful siyabonga kakhulu. Sinomama ke ngapha obusisi. Sinosisi ngapha. Mama nijwayele ukukhonza nikhonza nje namhlanje yini into ebe different.
Okay, nna ke Phoshiya wa Mashifane. Ba mpitsa Emambuledi mo kereke. So ke mobedi ke ba Limpopo.
Yeah.
So today ke thutile dintho tse dingata gagolo like service ya today nearly different.
Yeah.
Nearly different. Ne gona le that thing the good morning the Holy Spirit.
Yeah.
Really I feel that thing for okay. The Holy Spirit is available.
Yeah.
It's here with us, and we learn a lot.
Yes.
Because ziningi izinto sisafuna ukwakheka thina mhlambi sisibancane but sisafuna ukwakheka si-understand uKristu ukuthi into enjani, into esingahamba ngayo injani, into esingaphila ngayo injani. So sifunde kakhulu namhlanje, sifunde kakhulu, siyabonga. Sibonga ngathi bebathi nihlala la eduze nje every day size la nize lana nizothi nisase right.
I just like the way you khuluma ngelanguage yakho yabo. Ngifuna ukuthi uqhubeke le interview yami, ngifuna uqhubeke ngelanguage.
Okay.
Ngiyabuzwa kancane but I love it the way usho ngakho.
All right.
So another question engakubuza yona ukuthi ukhulumile umfundisi kuSamuel ukuthi ninomsebenzi nina njengabazalwane to uplift and support ubuholi wenu in order ukuthi achieve whatever nifuna uku-achieve. Yini onoyibambile ongayenza ukuthi I am showing support kubuholi mina oyenza wena naku-local church?
Mina ku-local church ngihlala ngi-supporta because mangathi kancane ngiphume question yakho ke joko question ngiyakawo baba. Before ke tla mo kerekeng ne ke sa tsebe gore where I can go. Ne ke sa tsebe gore ke kae, like being petty and ka understand what I mean. The Zion is for Zulus.
Yeah.
So why nna ke le mopedi ke ya go dispose Zion. But ke be ke na le pitso ne impitsa something ne simpitsa sere tsamaya o ye mola o yo thola bophelo hae o yo khatlisa motho le fase gore o kereke e feng just because wa apere seaparo maybe o bontsha gore wena o APCM doesn't mean anything. Ntho important ke gore na ke eng ke hweditseng go PCM.
It's beautiful. I just love it when because the Spirit of the Lord is not, it has no language. You came in here kukhulunywa kakhulu isiZulu, nami ngiyabona ukukhulunywa isiZulu kakhulu but isikhulunywa kuleli sonto kungcono ngoba la nesilungu sikhona. But I think you've picked up the spirit sikaNkulunkulu and you form part of it, which is great. Sibongela lokho nje ukuthi kena uZayon uphume kulomqondo ukuthi uZayon abaZulu. We are not a Zulu church. We are a Christian church and we speak any language. Speak with the spirit and says but I can speak English with you so that you can understand what I'm saying. So I'm happy that you are here and I'm happy with the added value to the church and locally. I'm supporter njalo. But one message to have, see, Engaging Life is a big show. See, radio every Thursday. So whatever you show la is on and from Japan, China, and England. They are listening to this show. That's why we try to speak English continuously because we want to accommodate international people to listen. So, what message? Because what did you learn? What message can you bring on Engaging Life?
Engaging Life ngabanikeza ukuthi isonto lanamhlanje belihlukile and bekuyi-important for thina ukuthi whatever that they were saying siyifake ekhaya singamameli sihleke siphakamise izandla but singayifaki la ihlale because we have to put it in here ukuthi sizofollowa because bebasakha into important they were building us because obviously sinama-challenge masamaKrestu sinama-challenge and then siba ne-problem whereby ukuthi omunye mhlawumbe umdlalwana akakhuluma nawe kabi but umele ube nale spirit sokuthi ngumKrestu ngimKrestu ngizothi masengi-right ngihlale naye phansi ngithi asibambananga kahle mawukhuluma kanje so namhlanje hayi ngidlile ngisuthi ngidlile
siyabonga kakhulu kusisi bami ngiyabonga ukuthi nibe khona la kungeje live show umholi wenu usihamba naye nje yonke indawo nazi ukuthi umholi makangekho unamba uthuzibona ngihamba naye kakhulu. Thank you for tuning in. uNkulunkulu abe nani njalo nje.